Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to use substitution method to solve simultaneous equation. Example 1, solve this equation simultaneously. 3x minus y equals to 6 and 2x plus 5y equal to minus 13. What we do, we write out the equation. Then we write the first equation, which is 3x minus y equals to 6. We call this equation 1. Whenever we circle number, it means equation. Then we have 2x plus 5y equal to minus 13, equation 2. Now, we are using substitution method. What we do, we make x or y the subject of formula in any of these equations. And it's easier to make y the subject of formula in equation 1. Then if we make y the subject of formula in equation 1, this equation 1 becomes 3x, moving 6 plus 6 to the other side of equal to sign, crossing the sign of equality becomes minus 6 equal to minus y, crossing the sign of equality to the other side, it becomes plus y. It's just rearranged. Therefore, y is equal to 3x minus 6. We call this equation 3. We form equation 3 from equation 1. Therefore, we are going to substitute or put equation 3 in equation 2. We say put equation 3 in 2 because we form it from 1. Then equation 2 is 2x plus 5y equal to minus 13. Whenever we see y, we have to put 3x minus 6. That is 2x plus 5. In place of y, we are putting 3x minus 6 equal to minus 13. If you look at this equation, we don't have any trace of y again. So everything we have is just variable x. Now we expand or we open the bracket. We have 2x plus 5 times 3x gives us 15x. 5 times minus 6 gives us minus 30 equal to minus 13. Now we collect the like terms, meaning numbers to one side and the one with alphabet to one side. Then if we do that, we are having 2x plus 15x gives us 17x equal to minus 13. Minus 30 crossing sign of equality, it becomes plus 30. Then we have 7x equal to minus 13 plus 30 means 30 minus 13, which gives us 17. Then to get the value of x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 17. That is 17x all over 17 equals to 17 all over 17. 17 cancels 17, left with x equal to 17 into 17 gives us 1. So the value of x is 1. Now we can find the value of y by substituting x equals to 1 in equation 3, which we have formed earlier. Equation 3 is y equal to 3x minus 6. Equation 3. Put x equal to 1. We have y equal to 3. In place of x, we put 1 minus 6. Y equal to 3 minus 6. Y equal to minus 3. When you say 3 minus 6 gives us minus 3. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 3. To check if your answer is correct, we substitute x equals to 1, y equals to minus 3 in any of the equation and see if the left hand side will give us right hand side. We write out the initial equation, which is 3x minus y equal to 6, and we have the other one, which is 2x plus 5y equal to minus 13. When we put 1 in place of x, we are having 3x. When we put minus 3 in place of y, we are having minus 3 gives us 3. Therefore, 3 plus 3 gives us 6, which is correct. We put it in equation 2. If we put 1 here in place of s, it becomes 2x. We put y minus 3 in place of y, it becomes minus 15. 2 plus minus 15 gives us minus 13. So our answer is correct. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.